Hey everyone, today I'll show you a new airdrop that's gaining traction, the Gradient Network airdrop. If you missed out on past airdrops like Grass or similar node-based projects, you'll want to check this out. I'll walk you through how to get started, earn rewards, and why this airdrop might be one to jump on early. Let's get into it. Gradient Network is an airdrop where you can earn tokens through a unique point system using your device. This isn't a typical Telegram or web wallet airdrop. Here you'll install an extension on your browser to earn points or EXP by staying connected and running nodes. This airdrop is gaining popularity because it's backed by big investors like Pantera Capital and Multicoin, which often signals a project with solid potential. To join, you can find the link in my Telegram channel. Once you have that, follow these steps. Open the link, which will take you directly to the Gradient Network sign-up page. Enter your email, set up a password, and confirm. After this, check your email for a verification code, enter it, and you're ready to proceed. You'll be directed to the main dashboard, where you can see your EXP level and progress. By the way, entering with my referral link can give you a 2% boost in rewards, which adds up over time. EXP is the point system in Gradient Network. More points mean higher rewards when the token goes live. Let's look at ways to maximize EXP. Firstly, you start at the bronze level, but you can rank up to silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. The higher your level, the greater your rewards. EXP is mainly earned by having nodes active. Think of nodes as extra accounts or connections running Gradient Network that boost your earning rate. Each time your node stays connected for a set amount of time, you'll earn more EXP. To maintain a strong connection, keep at least one Gradient tab open in your browser. It will refresh automatically. If you're able to connect Gradient on multiple devices, like a family member's computer, to earn extra points. Gradient Network also rewards you for inviting friends. For each friend who joins using your referral link, you'll get 20 extra EXP points. The more friends you invite, the higher your rank will climb. Go to your dashboard and find the invite link under the rewards section. Share it with friends on social media, Telegram, or wherever your crypto friends are. To optimize your experience, Gradient Network lets you link social accounts like Twitter or Discord, which also adds EXP points. Here's how to do it. On the dashboard, find the Connect Twitter option. Sign into Twitter, follow their account, and authorize Gradient Network. After that, you'll earn a small EXP boost, and it also gives your account more credibility within the Gradient ecosystem. Each connected account slightly increases your overall rank, so it's worth doing if you're active on social media. To wrap up, Gradient Network is a powerful tool if you're looking for free crypto opportunities, and it's growing fast. Make sure to keep your node active and connect all possible social accounts to boost your ranking. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and good luck with Gradient Network.